to our school's division superintendent, Dr. Gilbert Entong, with his authorized representative, Sir Nicolas C. Andal, Education Program Supervisor in EPP, DLE, and TVL. Sir, to our public schools district supervisor, Ma'am Annalisa E. Talatad. Ma'am, to our school head, Sherman A. Lapay. Sir, to our kindergarten teacher, Ma'am Nancy M. Baligod. Ma'am, faculty members, fellow completers, family and friends, good morning. Today is a special day, a day to celebrate our incredible journey. Fellow completers, do you remember our first day in our kindergarten room? Some of us walked in with big smiles, excited to play with new friends. Others held tightly to Papa or Mama's hand, feeling a little nervous about what was ahead. But look at us now, confident, curious, and ready for new adventures. Our classroom was more than just a room. With colorful posters and toys, it became a place where stories were shared, songs were sung, and friendship blossomed. Remember the time we learned about the alphabet by pretending to be animals for each letter? Or when we built tall towers with blocks, only to giggle when they came tumbling down? Each of those moments wasn't just fun. We were learning how to be creative, patient, and kind. We've learned how to share, how to listen, and how to say please and thank you. We've discovered that mistakes are okay because they help us grow. And most importantly, we've learned that we are capable of amazing things. And now, we celebrate all those moments, big and small, that brought us to this proud milestone. As we move forward, always remember the laughter, the friendships, and the lessons we've learned here. Congratulations, kindergarten completers, and welcome to our moving up ceremony for the school year 2024-2025.